Davido tattoos his children's faces on his body. Popular Nigerian artist and songwriter Davido has been captured on camera tattooing the faces of his 3 children on his body. Davido is one of the Nigerian artists who does not joke with his children. Despite his tours and tight schedules, he always makes time to spend with his children. Davido has shared a video of himself tattooing the faces of his children Ibile, Haley and Ifeanyi on his body.
Went through pain today, boy. Crazy. Yeah, what up, my people? It's your boy Davido. You know it's going down. I ain't got a tattoo in like 2 years, and I called my man Guinness and he hooked me up. 3 tattoos on my kids, beautiful children, my son.
Thank you, David.
Ifeanyi, both of my daughters. Ibile, my firstborn, Haley. Perfect. You can see the detail. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, he's gonna do all my tattoos again. So it's crazy. Make sure you guys hit him up #1.
On other news, real reason why Zlatan Ibile blocked DJ Cuppy on social media. Davido's PA, Israel, has described DJ Cuppy as a full fake friend, noting that he is happy Zlatan cut her off. Davido's PA has revealed why Zlatan Ibile blocked DJ Cuppy on social media and WhatsApp. A few days ago, the billionaire's daughter expressed her heartbreak on social media about being blocked by Zlatan without telling her the reason. Just recently, it was reported that Zlatan was asked why he blocked Cuppy on a TV show and he denied knowing her, to the surprise of many.
You blocking Cuppy on social media, and have you unblocked her?
It's a gossip. DJ Cuppy music.
You don't?
He's an artist. Cuppy is a DJ. Oh, DJ Cuppy.
You haven't heard of? You don't know? Okay.
You don't know who that is?
Davido's PA has now shed light on the matter. According to him, Zlatan did a hit song with the gelato crooner and she did not give him a dime to compensate for his efforts. Israel went on to state that DJ Cuppy also did not compensate Zlatan after he performed at a popular fundraising event in Abuja. According to him, Zlatan used his personal money to cater for everyone who went with him to Transcorp Hilton Hotel in Abuja. Israel also shared a throwback video of a chat that Zlatan had with Davido. Davido seemed to have called Zlatan to ask him where he was, and later then told him he was at the Cuppy's fundraising event. According to him, Zlatan told Davido how he was just sharing the many millions that people were donating, but nothing was given to him. His revelation got Davido laughing.
Where you there?
I did where the whatever the share 500 million, 1 billion.
I did collect your own.
She died no touch our hand. Just they use money, they get money. 500 million. 5 billion donation.
Go perform gelato. Go to gelato. Go to gelato.
I go rob them last for year. I go rob them.
The poor people, they always oppress the rich. Look at the case of Zlatan and Cuppy. Zlatan, they oppress Cuppy now, so yes, now, because on the normal they use Zlatan, you be star now, you be celebrity. They call you, make call fundraising. Now you can pay your flight, call pay hotel bill. Normally, you know, so now we will be the poor people now. You go the marshal's bill because now Cuppy now you don't look at Papa name now, so you don't go perform free now. But you just say you don't come outside now. Now you don't talk now saying Cuppy not pay your hotel bill, all those kind of level. Why you not charge them for the beginning? Why you not charge them on a normal day? Cuppy now, they follow the video. I look at it, laugh. Davido, Papa, and Dollar, all of them. Now they be the same category. Now English they speak. They go abroad for every holiday. You know, not they go follow rich people. See, whatever after you all call Tony, I beg any show when they put Zlatan when you be on sponsor, man, finish. We supposed to cane line with Cuppy, they go to quarrel. Go settle. If you want me to give you like 50 or 100 million for the fundraising, you Cuppy safe. You just sit down press. Where they worry you. So if the boy not match you day now, normally now you not supposed to use your church mind. You don't do your church mind. After you hear sneakers cut the wash motor, your problems, for this rich man should do everything. All of them, I wanna get out. I beg.
Finally, Bbnaija Nengi opens up on her love and friendship with Ozo. Nengi has opened up on her relationship with Ozo in a recent interview granted in Ghana. The former Big Brother Naija Season 5 housemate is currently in Ghana and she was interviewed by Lexis Bill at Joy FM, a sub-media platform of multimedia, and in the interview, she revealed that at first she thought Ozo was playing a game while in the house, but she was wrong. According to Nengi, who donated some items to the Teshi orphanage home in Ghana, Ozo is the same person she saw while they were in the lockdown house 5 months ago. Rebecca Nengi Hampson further described Ozo as a perfect and amazing person and expressed how grateful she is for his friendship. In her words, she said, "He is a real person. The him you saw in the house is the him outside the house. And at a point in the house, I thought he was playing game. He's a perfect and amazing person," she said.
How to better myself, how to build my future. Men are not my problem.
Hey.
Men are not my problem. Then they rush me.
Now I'm sure they're coming along more, isn't it? Don't officer you and all. Is that what it is? I'm just trying to figure it out. I mean,
no, there's always been that. Like, there's always been men. There's always been a lot of men. I've always been a fine girl. So,
yeah.
I mean, it's what comes with it. So,
yeah.
Nah, I'm not really I'm a one girl, one guy kind of person. And that's why I didn't want to do anything because I wasn't sure about the status of my last relationship. Because if I'm in a relationship, I'm in a relationship. If I'm not ready to be in a relationship, I will tell you I'm not ready.
So that last relationship was up?
The ship has what? It has
sank. I told you. It has fallen into the water.
It has fallen into the water. It has capsized.
Oh, that's so awesome. Anyway, I'm happy for you and Ozo, to be honest. You make a very wonderful couple. Yeah. No, I'm not asking you a question. I'm making a statement of fact. What do you call it?
This guy is too good to be true. Like, it's too good to be real. This is... At some point, I'm not even going to in the house. I actually feel like, I'm sure this boy is not playing a game with me.
Yeah.
Because how can you be so perfect? But that's actually him. Like, that's who he is.
Wow.
It's just, his parents tried. They did a good job. He's an amazing person.
Okay, and so back to my question. So how's the ship going? Is it sailing smoothly? I am serious with this one. I am serious. I'm not laughing. I am not. You want to say?
Okay, that's the new tactic. I just laugh at questions.
No, you're answering this question because
we're good.
I have a gazillion people who sent me that question. Look, we need to find out about a ship because Lexus, you've been doing Ozone forever hashtag and what's not. Is it shipping?
We're good. I like to keep my stuff private.
Yeah. Oh no, we just need to know whether the ship is sailing well. That's all.
The ship could be friendship, could be relationship.
That's not yours to say. We know what is happening. So you just tell us. Is it sailing smoothly?
Yeah, me and Ozo are good.
You're good.
We're good. We're in a really good space.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. I like that. So breaking news: the ship is in a good space. You can't say anything else for us to take. We know that this ship is shipping perfectly. You have like God knows how many endorsements. I need to look it up. I need to count them. I think the last I saw, you're a brand ambassador for Guinness.
While reacting to the interview Nengi made in Ghana, Ozo also took to his Instagram live to share the good news with his fans, saying he's in a good place with Nengi and he is not searching for a relationship as he's having a very good and cool time with Nengi.
Not searching. Like I said, I'm in a great place, so 100% not searching at all. That's Nengi pretty much is like the closest person I'm in the house. So if I came out from the house, I would never say I hate her fans. That's going to be dumb of me to say, you know. So if I automatically like love her, then that means definitely I love her fan base as well. So why the wars like spill over is something that I really find it so uncomfortable, you know. I want my fans to love her as much as as much as I do love her as well, you know. And yeah, I definitely want her fans to know that the fact that I love Nengi means that that love spills down to them too. So it's yeah, it's really painful to see at times. I mean, just because of how I am, most times when I see all these things, I'm just going to be like, okay, let me just let it go. But you can't just take your phones and start saying like horrible, disgusting things about two people that are close. Like you just shouldn't do that, you know. So I mean, at the end of the day, like, well, if you see that this person loves this person, then why would you want to say horrible things about that person? Like no one should. Hopefully it stops. I know I've said it a couple of times during my Lagos meet and greet. I made similar comments, but yeah, I really hope it stops. The fan wars, especially between my superiors and ninjas, that's something I really hope that stops. I hope the ninjas see the sense in it as well. That's something that we really hope stops for sure.